Hi, I'm Courtney with Fresa USA, and I'm here to tell you about our passion. I'm here in our tool lab where we aim to keep America a leader in manufacturing by providing real-world advice to metalworking specialists. Fresa focuses on making application-specific premium products using the latest technology in the production of cutting tools. We offer a full resharpening service to increase the overall service life of your tools and to save you money. Our engineers use proven geometries to create fully customized cutting tools we call Concept Tool. Concept tools are used in all industries and enable our customers to machine their parts cheaper, better, and faster than some off-the-shelf cutting tools because we tailor the tools to their application. And what really sets us apart is we specialize in providing proven cutting parameters and application advice to help you improve your processes and make you more money. Published data in our catalogs, as well as our several online calculators, enable you to optimize the use of Fresa's tools to your machine, your setup, and your application. Our tool lab partners with some of the world's best companies in machine tools, work holding, tool holding, and CAD/CAM programming. Along with my team, the Fresa Tool Lab is creating videos and content that will get you on the leading edge of machining technology and some of the industry's most common and sometimes hardest materials to machine. Our Tool Lab tech tips highlight ways to use high-end equipment and the most efficient ways to save you time and ultimately make your company more profitable. If you are a programmer, machinist, or shop owner and earn a living by making chips, love CNC machining, and are always trying to find a new way to get the job done, you have found the right channel. Subscribe now and start benefiting from thousands of hours of development and testing.